Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this, but it might teach you a tool or two. Pretty easy to draw. And we're going to take a six-sided polygon, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make it something thicker than a hairline. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to move the rotation to that node or that point. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. Now, normally we need when it says copies, you always do 11, but for what we're going to do with this, we're going to do 12 at 5 degrees. Then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to turn it to green and I'm going to hit apply. Then I'm going to take the last green and I'm going to make it blue and hit apply. Now I'm going to take the last blue. Let's make it yellow by right clicking because it's a line. Hit apply. I'm going to take the last yellow and I'm going to make it purple by right clicking. Now I'm going to take the last purple and make it a light blue and hit apply. That's how easy that is. And if we take our box, it's just kind of hard to explain. Normally, 360 divided by 5. So we bring out a calculator. 360 divided by 5 degrees is 72. So that's this amount, but it normally says a copy. But since we're using one of the copies to change the color, you get that effect. And you could do it with, anything divisible by 360, and you don't have to use a six-sided polygon. You could use anything you wanted, but that's pretty sharp. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.